Ever lost a game in the depths of your Epic Games library and felt like you were searching for buried treasure? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your already installed games on the Epic Games launcher in just a few easy steps. First, make sure the Epic Games launcher is open and you are logged into your account. Next, on the left-hand side of the launcher, you'll see a few options. Click on the library button. This is where all the games associated with your account are stored, whether they are installed or not. Now, in your library, you'll see a list of all the games you own on Epic Games. Games that are already installed will have a prominent launch button below their icon. Simply click this button to start playing. If you have a large library, you can quickly filter your games to only show the ones already installed. Look for the filter options, often located at the top of the library page. Select the installed filter. This will hide any games that aren't currently on your system. Still can't find a game you installed? Click the three dots on the game tile, then click uninstall to remove it from your computer. Then you can reinstall to see if that helps. One more important tip: go to settings and make sure the install location for your games is what you think it is. If you accidentally installed your games to the wrong place, this is where you can find out.